Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very pleased to present you the Ökostation Freiburg in Augsburg. Christine from Mainz, I said, I am a gardener and a teacher, and I co-founded the Ökostation in Freiburg, and since this year I'm theoretically retired, but practically active. The Ökostation is an environmental education center in Freiburg. It's situated in Freiburg Seepark, not far from the city, from the center. It was created in 1986 by BUND, Friend of the Earth, Germany. It consists of an ecological building and a natural garden area. We offer events, seminars, workshops for school classes, kindergartens, families and all interested citizens. About 15,000 visitors every year came in the Ökostation. Here you see the house from the top with a roof, with a green roof and the solar power plant. And here, the organic garden with the herb garden. Every year, about 300 school classes and kindergarten groups are visiting the Ökostation and experience the green classroom. The Ökostation is a place of non-formal, out-of-school education. Our aim is to make children aware of nature and sustainability from early age. We offer possibilities to get knowledge about nature by practice. Children are learning by sensory perception, smelling, tasting, touching, hearing and seeing. The teachers can choose between different topics: biodiversity and nature protection, how reducing waste, organic and healthy food, renewable energies. Following, I will show some examples of our work. Here you see the children discovering the rich ecosystem in a pond. The children are identifying the water insects with the help of binoculars and magnifying glasses. In the same way, they observe the soil animals or the animals in the compost. A meadow is a rich habitat with great diversity. Unfortunately, many meadows are disappearing because of intensive agriculture. In the Ökostation, children learn about the threatened species in the meadow. Here students are building nestling boxes and hang them up at their schoolyard. The Ökostation supports also schools by doing gardening projects. Here in Freiburg, about 16 schools have school gardens. And the teacher don't have the knowledge how to treat on it. The Ökostation supports the schools, and here children, for example, are building a herb spiral and planting with herbs in their school garden. And for us, this decade was a great publicity for our work, and many of them has been awarded. Well, sustainability, my opinion, begins with education. We want to equip people with the knowledge, skills and the values to address social, environmental and economical challenges of the future. Thank you very much.